Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep as Blender Guy. Welcome back to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I just want to show you how I have done this bowl of M&Ms. This tutorial is all about the shading. I'll be covering only the shading part and the materials and the node graph. I'm switching back to graph editor. This is a simple node based shading network. All the color random variation is controlled by this object info node. This is the key node for color variation. As you can see, I have given all the colors here and just connected to one principled BSDF. And coming to bump part, I have used a noise, as I can show you here. I'm just control shift clicking on I have connected a noise texture, as you can see here, and I have made it more contrast by using this color ramp and connected to the normals. This is our main shader. If I disconnect this, you can see only the Lambert part. And even if you want to control, you can take a color ramp, connect this to, and you can control the color variation also. If I disconnect the displacement, press M for mute. And for M&Ms there will be a logo on it, so I have created one texture. This is the texture. Again I used color ramp to create that contrast, and I mixed both with a diffuse material again. As you can see now you can see the M logo on the M&M. This is a straightforward tutorial and I felt like having dots on it, so I have taken another Voronoi texture. As you can see here, dots here, these dots, have blended that with the diffuse material again. And this is a simple straightforward occlusion material. As you all can see, I have adjusted the ramp to create only the shadow part, and I have blended together. And same bump I have used it for displacement. So this is a bowl of M&Ms, and also the bowl shader is a simple principled BSDF. I have blended both colors. It's a noise, you can see here. I have created the variation with two colors. I'm just control shift clicking on the each node to show how it is working. Again I have taken a noise for creating a bump. And coming to the lighting, let me show you the lighting. I have not created any lights, it's purely from environment light. A basic 3-point light HDRI I have used in this tutorial. I think I have covered things related to shading and lighting. I hope you guys like this. If you like this, please like and share and subscribe the channel. There are many videos coming in the shading and lighting as well. Signing off. Bye bye.